In this last video, we're just going to go over all of the items that are located in your college and career readiness course so that you have a good idea of what's in there when you share this with your homeroom students. So if you'd like to, please go ahead and log into your Schoology and open up your college and career readiness course. Once you get into your course, you're going to see three folders: Getting Started, Artifact Submissions, and Career Plan Submissions. Under the Getting Started folder, you're going to see a series of resources that new or even old students can use to help them maneuver through the Schoology course. All of them have videos that are attached to them and a list of instructions. This will be a great resource for anybody that might be new to your homeroom and need to help get them up to pace throughout the middle of the school year. It'll also be great for anybody who needs a refresher if it's been a while since they've uploaded an artifact. So there you can see an example of the video that might go with that certain resource. If you jump back to your main page of your college and career readiness course, the next folder is Artifact Submissions. Under this, you're going to see a series of assignments that have been created in Schoology. This is where your students will be submitting their artifacts. They're listed as Marking Period 2, Block 1, Artifact, and then sorted by grade, and so on. If you have a Block 1 math class that you teach during Marking Period 2, your students would submit it to the Marking Period 2 Block 1 Artifact list. And it changes as it goes down. So there's a total of 8. And then you'll see additional assignments for other events that may happen throughout the school year that are specific to that grade level. We're going to take a look at how to submit an artifact. So if you have a Block 1 Marking Period 2 math class, they're going to click on it. There's directions listed there for your students to quickly review how to upload things. They're going to click the Submit Assignment button, upload the file, just like you would in an email. Select the file, and then hit Submit. Now the real key here is how they submit their assignment to their portfolio. We want them to use this button over to the right and click it, and then you can just simply say Add to my college and career readiness portfolio, select Add, and it will automatically do it. Now I want you to click that link there and just see how, when I submitted from that assignment, it changed the name of my artifact to Marking Period 2, Block 1 Artifact, 9th grade. This is important because going forward, our portfolios will get much more organized by grade level. Here shortly we'll have kids from elementary school on up who have these portfolios following them. If you go back to your course, College and Career Readiness, the last folder that you're going to see is your career plan submission. Each career plan is specific to 9th, 10th, or 11th grade. Again, it has directions, and it also has a link to the career plans. The career plans do look slightly different this year. It's the same info, different way of doing it. And then they will submit their career plan and add it to their portfolio just like we did a few moments ago under the artifact submissions. You can also view your grade book right here from Schoology. We're going to ask that everybody grade their students from Schoology, and then Schoology will sync over into eSchool.